Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to show you guys how to put together a telescoping piece of chimney. Now, I actually have this question a lot. And so, like, enough to make a video, so I'm going to make a video. I'm gonna get this unpacked. I sell like a telescoping chimney piece pretty much in every single chimney system that I sell. So if you're buying your pipe through us, then you will have that, especially with double wall chimney, because then you have the flexibility. This is telescoping. So when it comes time to clean your chimney, you can literally just slide these pieces together and it'll slide up into each other. It'll slide, you know, up off of the stove. You can move the stove out, stick a bucket under there, clean your chimney, and it just makes it super, super nice. Also with double wall chimney, you can't cut it. So if your measurements aren't quite exact, then it makes your installation very easy as well. We have 2 pieces of chimney. Each piece will come out of the box. Generally, they're supposed to have labels. This one here is Duravent. And we also sell a lot of the Ventus chimney. Both brands should have a label on them, but sometimes that gets missed at the factory because I have had quite a few customers take photos and there's no labels. So there we go. All right, you can see the ends of the chimney. This is a double wall, which is an interior and an exterior. There's no actual insulation. It is just an air space. That is what gives you the lower clearance to combustibles. So this has a 6-inch clearance off the wall, black double wall chimney pipe. Okay, so the end that the label is at on the telescoping pipe, it does show an arrow pointing down. Here is the top outlet, which is where your flue collar is going to connect.
If you have use a pair of lineman pliers that are flat, and you can kind of just squeeze them. So now you want to look down on the pipe, make sure it's round and not egg shaped. If it's egg shaped, kind of push it around until it's kind of round. Okay, and make sure your center pipe is kind of in the center. And now you take this section, you have a seam, and it's usually easier to try to line the 2 seams together. And this one is kind of bent out. Let's see if it'll fit in there. I might need to bend it in a little bit. Okay, so real close, see where we're at?
Yeah, that's a tight fit.
It's a very tight fit. It has to be a tight fit. So, yeah, well.
Boom.
And then you just push her down as far as you want, and it'll just collapse all the way down to here. If you do that and pull it back out, it's going to scratch your paint. So don't do that. Just stick it in so it's lined up, push it up into place, then collapse it just to the point where you want to stop. See that big scratch there? So if you push her down and pull it back out, it's going to be scratched.
Okay, I do want to show you this labeling up close because everybody says there's no arrow. This arrow, it says exhaust down. That is your arrow. So with Duravent, with the labeling on the top, that is your top piece. And then the other end, which has the ridge on it, that is your bottom end that connects to the stove. So that is your easiest way. And when you're looking at this, I mean, it appears to be the same diameter. So that's why we show you pulling out the crimping, or I'm sorry, if it gets like bent in at all, you can pull it out with a flat edge tool to make that connection on the seams and then be able to telescope them together. And then up close here you can see where you drill through on your screw holes. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. I really try my best to give you guys as much knowledge as possible and show you guys as many products as possible. So if you guys do enjoy this content, please continue to just support me by giving the video a thumbs up. Make sure you click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.